Hey guys, and today we're going to be testing out fake mm2 games. So we have a lot of fake mm2 games here, but the one I think we should just do a random one, honestly, or we could do the lasers mm2, because I've already done Zclays mm2, but I'll just do it for you guys anyways, but only for a few minutes, in case you haven't played it yet. I'll give you like an experiment of what it's going to look like, so you'll like guess what it might look like later on. So it's not a lot of games, but there's like outfits you could change into. I think I'm going to change into this one. It has a weird walk sometimes. And you could also buy the weapons, which is also kind of like cheap. Or sometimes they could be a lot more or less cheap. Let's see if the wheel is available here. For Zclays MM2, you get a wheel spin every day. So right now I just spinning. And I go, oh, what did I get? Oh, Cupid's crossbow, okay. Let's see what it looks like when I wear it. Oh, it looks kind of nice actually, but a bit too big. And there's like this daily login thing. Yes, day after yesterday I got this pink laser. Yesterday I got this love seer, and today I got the, what do you call it? Well, something to do with love, that's for sure. I know, but I got something. But I think I'm gonna do like a love outfit just for the season, since today is Valentine's Day. So let's do this one. Looks kinda nice. We're just gonna wait until the round that's happening right now will be over, then we'll play this one round, and then we're going to Lasers MM2. Oh, that scared me. There's also a lot of ads around it, if you can see it. I don't know what this one is. It's like, let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it might be like emote, like these ones and stuff. Or it could be something, these are my 3 favorite maps, so I'm going to go for hotel. Or it could be like a weapon, but I think it might be a weapon just because it says you can gift it. If I press this, it says you can gift it to a person. And you can't gift it to yourself, that's for sure. Right now I'm an innocent. I like a lot of these outfits. Somebody's hiding. Some pizza? Here's some pizza. Pizza. Here's some pizza. Get up. Pizza. Pizza. Okay, I think I'll stop. I might get annoying for them. They might be sheriffs, so they might be annoyed and they might shoot you. That's why I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to avoid everybody. I think it's actually Disco, because she's AFK. The murderer is not killing yet. So it'll probably be an AFK person. Let's see if there's another AFK person in their server. So then it could either be one of them. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's her now. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. They walk really slowly. Where's the sheriff? Please do not tell me that girl that's wearing the Mika outfit is sheriff. Wake up, sheriff. Wake up, sheriff. Oh, so they're sisters. And they might be teaming. Okay, I think I'm gonna run now. Maybe we should wake up and see some pizza. Or some chocolate milk. Okay, I'm guessing that's a no. Maybe I'll give her this AFK sign so everybody knows she's AFK. Nope, not working either. And also our faces are kind of matching. Yes, the sheriff's awake. Where's the moon now? Oh, yep. She shot somebody by accident. Just like I expected. The moon died. Maybe the second, I'm pretty sure. Poor person. Like this. Poor person. Okay, since that round is over, we're going to go into Lasers 1. Which is this one. There's a lot of jumping, I gotta admit. Okay, there's no shift lock, which was kind of a waste. So I'm gonna rejoin and pick tablet instead because tablet's a lot better for me. It's easier to control. But if phone has shift lock, then I'm going on phone because I love shift lock. But if phone doesn't have shift lock, then I'm just going to go onto the normal iPad. I have the community gun and the new heights, but I think I'm going for the new heights. I've never played this one, I'm pretty sure, so I don't know how I have that. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's do it when we're in a round. We'll do about 2 or 3 rounds, then we're going to go find another fake one. And how do I put this thing away? Okay, radio. There you go. What is... What? He says I like curry. But I don't think we need to know that fact. That scared me. Sit. I think that's all the real ones I need. Let's go for no base. And Bank 1 is a really tiny map, so that's why I normally do not vote it. And it's not really good for the sheriff, because it might accidentally shoot an innocent. Dang it! I thought there wouldn't be that radio pass thing. This is a bit disturbing how the footsteps are so loud. Or is it just my volume? I don't know. Oh, so let's go with the ghost head. Noted. Okay. That hitbox. That hitbox, sir. What the sound gun is me? I really like her outfit, not gonna lie. Let's see some of the ads. So there's the strawberry pack. You get a new godly strawberry staff and a new limited item. Dark heart, you get one ancient item and another ancient item and a high valued item and a dark heart. The mystic pack, you get one new godly and one ancient mystic slayer. Dang, I didn't get to finish reading it. Great start. Laying down on the ground. Okay, do I have a full build on? No, I don't. I don't have enough for it. Sad. I don't even get my... Where's my knife? What? I don't get my knife. This is such a waste. All the excitement is for nothing. Oh well. Let's just give the sheriff free win. Free win. I am mad. But I don't have my knife. So this is why I'm giving the free win. Yay! She would have known. Yeah, I had that green knife for some reason. I'm only one level under the sheriff last round. What's Subway? Let's do Subway. Here's Subway. Dang it. That bacon was about to. It might not be Subway, sadly. Probably not. Anyways. I was supposed to make the last one. That is dumb. That was a dumb choice to do the full thing. I'm innocent. Oh, yeah, that was a bit sus. I do just like an end. Of course I'd go through it. The staircase leading to nowhere. Very, very weird. Oh, poor guy. If I sit and try and revive him. Okay, no, I can't sit. Yeah, standing on him and dancing on him isn't working either. That's weird. It normally would. Why is there a poor guy under there? Come out, guy. I'll help you. I'll help. I'll help. Oh, where's that guy? Oh, it's actually Subway. I didn't even notice that. I still floss. Like 5 layers. I'm pretty sure they can kind of see me. Don't know if the camera can catch it, but the murderer can kind of see me. Kind of weird though. That was really bad aim. Okay, that hitbox. Okay, so that's 3 games. So we're going to try out a different one basically. We could either do Kai's MM2 or Soul's MM2. Why do they all have the same front cover? Victoria's MM2, Soul's MM2, and Secret's MM2. Okay, I think we're going to go with Kai's MM2 because it looks a bit more interesting. John. Okay, let's go for the phone in case I have a shift lock. It does. See, this is what it kind of looks like on Secret's MM2. Basically, the same thing. This is basically Secret's MM2. Some coins. Oh, never mind, not some coins. I got kisses. Okay, we'll just equip that one for now. Let's see what other ones we have. Okay, somehow I got 2,000 coins already. That is a bit strange. Let's see if I can try and get the ice wing from this box. Yeah, I don't think you can get the ice wing from that. No, you can't. I'm gonna equip the pink laser for now because I don't really have that much. Or should I get one of these? I think I'm gonna get the American set. After one of these games, then I think I'm going to end the video because it's a bit long now. You can tell me in the comments if it was too short or too long, if you want. Irina. I think she's the last one standing. Yeah, she is. Let's buy dual wield first. What is that? Ooh, this is a good one. I'd really like that one. I have enough for dual wield, luckily. Because if I didn't, I'd be a bit upset. Now let's get X-ray as well. This is very cheap, I gotta admit. Video pass. When I met you in the summer. Dang it, that's not a song. When I met you in the summer. Stop with that sound. That's irritating. Let's go for factory. Why mansion 2 when you can have the factory? Why? I don't know why, but Secret was a bit obsessed with the 2023 Christmas map. And I know that because he literally updated the Valentine's update to be just he changed the fountain and the floor coloring, and everything else was just same, except the presents were gone, or were there? I didn't really notice the presents though. Oh, wasn't expecting that. Oh. That hitbox. That literal hitbox. Okay, so I'm going to end the video right here, right now. So if you would like, you don't have to though, subscribe and like. And I'll see you next time. Bye.